3 tips to become wise in a day. Do you want to try? Proverbs chapter 25 verse 11 says, "A word fitly spoken is like apples of gold in settings of silver." Words are invisible tools that every person is gifted with. But whether we sharpen it into a weapon of construction or destruction is all in our hands. The book of Proverbs is a treasure trove of wise sayings and counsels quoted by King Solomon, one of the richest and wisest kings who ever lived on earth. It's indeed a blessing to learn something really practical from him to refine our personality a bit more today. So let's get started with the 3 important tips of wisdom. First, use words if it's better than silence. That means you need to question yourself, should I really speak? Words are way powerful than what we can imagine it to be. It could become a spark of fire to either ignite the candle to dispel darkness in someone's heart, or it could even be the reason to burn down a person's positivism. Solomon advises that people who carefully use less words end up being much happier and stress-free because they are confident that their meaningful words could only bring welfare and no harm. Hence, only utter words when you feel it's better than silence. It's always enticing to keep people intrigued with your minimal words. Second, incorporate fitly words every time. Before presenting your opinion or airing your personal views, always check with yourself first as to which words you're going to use to express yourself. For example, if I want a help from you and I ask you in either of the two ways, "Hey you there, that's mine, pass me that pen." Or, "Hi, could you please do me the favor of passing me that pen?" The way which you would prefer me to address you with is exactly the way everyone expects from you. So just like how apples of gold would look stunning on settings of silver, let your words rightly fit the situation you are in. Third, practice using words aptly. Question and examine yourself as to how should I speak. If you have mastered over the first 2 steps, then it becomes even more necessary to realize the importance of this one. You must have experienced that problems handled patiently and kindly get resolved more quicker than the ones revealing your aggression. That's why, more than the words you use, have a check as to the way you use them. Try to be as much softer and smoother while using your words because they are exactly like sharpened knives. You could either use them to cut a tasty apple or to murder a person. Therefore, watch out always for the way you speak. Hence, like a farmer who takes care of his seeds sown on the right soil, let your wise words be aptly spoken to nourish and cherish others. Have a nice day.